Hello everyone, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today what we are doing today from grade 3, we are doing Hindi poem that is called Koyal. Okay, Koyal, you can call it as a cuckoo also or Koyal also. Okay, so let's start everyone. Grade 3 children, please take out your textbook, page number 86. Okay, so let's start. So first once I will tell the poem, that time the first important thing is we have to know who is the poet. Correct, right? So the poet name is Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. The poet name is Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. So let's start the poem. I hope so all the children open the textbook. Yes, चलो start करते हैं children. देखो कोयल काली है पर मीठी है इसकी बोली. देखो, look, कोयल काली है. The cuckoo bird is black in color. Right? Cuckoo bird is which in color? काली है. काली means black. I have just written here some words with a pencil. When I was teaching my kids, that time I have just wrote it. Okay. देखो कोयल काली है पर मीठी है इसकी बोली. The cuckoo bird is looks in black color. Correct, right? The कोयल bird is in black color, but मीठी है इसकी बोली. The chirping sound of the bird is very sweet. The poet is telling the cuckoo bird is very black in color, but the chirping sound of the cuckoo bird is very sweet. इसने ही तो कूक कूक कर आमों में मिश्री घोली. इसने ही तो कूक कूक कर आमों में मिश्री घोली. It means the birds how they will eat the fruit, like they will just nibble it, right? Cut. That one will call it as a cook. Okay. इसने ही तो cook कर. So she started nibbling. To the fruit. आमों में मिश्री घोली. आमों means the mango, right? आमों में मिश्री घोली. So because of the कोयल bird, the poet is describing the cuckoo bird here. How nicely she described. That one only is this full poem. But this poem is very important for your day-to-day life also, because here we will get to know what and all advice we will get from our parents, that and all we should follow. Correct, right? If your parents are telling exams are coming, please read, then you should not think, okay, simply they are telling, right? So you have to read it, right? Simply the parents will not tell. Don't do like this. Don't take your mobiles. Parents will say, right? Don't play so many games in the mobile. That and all for your good sake only they will say. Correct? You have to take it as advice and you have to build in your situation, build in your life. Correct? इसने ही तो कूक कूक कर आमों में मिश्री घोली. मिश्री means we will get one sugar. Okay, sugar means we will have the sugar, that one will call it as a sugar. Misri means we will call it as a sugar also, and that sugar pieces will be little bigger. That one will call it as a misri. But here we will take it as a sugar. आमों में मिश्री घोली. So she has mixed with the nibbling. She has mixed sugar in that mango. That one is in first paragraph. I'll just read. देखो कोयल काली है पर मीठी है इसकी बोली. इसने ही तो कूक कूक कर आमों में मिश्री घोली. So let's move on to second paragraph. कोयल कोयल सच बतलाओ क्या संदेशा लाई हो. कोयल कोयल सच बतलाओ. Tell me the truth. Cuckoo bird, tell me the truth. क्या संदेशा लाई हो. संदेशा means the message. क्या means what. So what you have got a message for us, right? क्या what? You have got the message for us. कोयल कोयल सच बतलाओ क्या संदेशा लाई हो. बहुत दिनों के बाद आज फिर इस डाली पर आई हो. After so many days you came on this branch. You came on this branch after so many days. बहुत दिनों के बाद, after so many days. आज फिर, today, again. इस डाली पर, this branch पर आई हो. You are came on this branch after so many days. कोयल कोयल सच बतलाओ क्या संदेशा लाई हो. बहुत दिनों के बाद आज फिर इस डाली पर आई हो। नेक्स्ट, थर्ड पैराग्राफ फ्रॉम दिस पोम। क्या गाती हो किसे बुलाती, बतला दो कोयल रानी। क्या गाती हो, what you are singing, what you are singing. किसे बुलाती, to whom you are calling, to whom you are calling. बतला दो कोयल रानी, tell me कोयल रानी. The कोयल रानी means the queen. So for the cuckoo bird, we will say how we will say the peacock is a national bird. Like that, for cuckoo, will tell as a queen of the bird. Okay. So this one you have to understand, because peacock, which peacock will dance, children? The boy peacock will dance, right? So that is a national of our bird. He's a king of our bird. Which one? King of bird is peacock. The queen of bird is cuckoo. Please do remember. क्या गाती हो किसे बुलाती, बतला दो कोयल रानी. It means क्या गाती हो means how nicely you will sing. And to whom you are calling, बतला दो कोयल रानी. Please say us, please tell us to whom you are calling, कोयल queen. प्यासी धरती देख मांगती हो क्या मेघों से पानी. So the poet is asking to the cuckoo bird. प्यासी धरती means the land is very thirsty. The land is very thirsty. When the land will be very happy, children? Once the rain falls, right? That one will call it as a megho. Okay? So, प्यासी धरती देख मांगती. So, देख मांगती means, so what it's calling, what it's telling, what it's asking. Mangati means asking. So, the land is asking, what we can say, the thirsty land is asking, or the crooked land is asking, हो क्या मेघों से पानी. Can you bring water from the clouds? Water from the clouds means obviously it's raining. Correct, right? So the poet is telling like that to the cuckoo bird. I'll repeat once. क्या गाती हो किसे बुलाती, बतला दो कोयल रानी. प्यासी धरती देख मांगती हो क्या मेघों से पानी. Pani means water. Meghon se means from cloud. If we'll get a water, obviously it's a rain. It's a barish, right? Please do remember. Next, in this 3 stanzas, it's very important to nowadays kids, right? I don't want to tell like all the kids are like always like a mobile they will say, right? If the parent will say please go and do the homework, they will just ignore it. Some kids, not all the kids, right? Some kids just ignore it. Leave mama, I will do afterwards. I'll do tomorrow, right? Once you'll get homework today, you have to finish it off today only. Correct, right? Then only you'll be the good boy, you'll be the good girl, you'll be the good son or the good daughter or the good living being or the good human being for this society. Correct? Okay, let's start. कोयल यह मिठास क्या तुमने अपनी माँ से पाई है. कोयल यह मिठास क्या तुमने अपनी माँ से पाई है. So the bird wise, the chirping sound, the bird wise is very sweet, right? So the poet is asking, have you got the sweetness from your mother? Obviously, right? If the children is good, then they will say, yes, your parent will be very lucky. Maybe your mother taught this, your father taught this like this. Correct, right? So like that, the poet is asking, कोयल यह मिठास क्या तुमने अपनी माँ से पाई है. It means, have you got the sweetness from your mother? माँ means what? Mother. माँ ने ही क्या तुमको मीठी बोली यहाँ सिखलाई है. So, again the poet is asking, your mother taught all this sweet voice for you. Your mother taught all the what and all you are doing with the sweetness. Example, if you have any helping nature. Example, just think in your school, your friend or who is sitting next to you, they don't have pencil. Okay, that time if teacher will ask, please share your pencil with him, please share your pencil with her, right? That time what you will give, that is a good thing about you, right? That time teacher can ask, maybe your mother taught this one, that's why you are doing like that. Correct? So like that she is telling here. She is asking, माँ ने ही क्या तुमको मीठी बोली यहाँ सिखलाई है. Have your mom taught this sweetness to you, this sweet voice, the sweetness to you? Okay. कोयल यहाँ मिठास क्या तुमने अपनी माँ से पाई है. माँ ने ही क्या तुमको मीठी बोली यहाँ सिखलाई है। नेक्स्ट, डाल डाल पर उड़ना गाना जिसने तुम्हें सिखाया है। डाल डाल पर उड़ना मीन्स branches to branches you will udna. Udna means flying we can say, or jumping we can say, or the moving we can say. Gana means the singing, the chirping sound we can take it easier. Okay, जिसने तुम्हें सिखाया है, whoever taught this to you, whoever taught this to you. What? The jumping from branches to branch, or moving from one branch to one branch, and the singing part, this and all. सबसे मीठे मीठे बोल यहाँ भी तुम्हें बताया है। सबसे मीठे मीठे बोल, to all, here the message to us. Okay, this message to us, with everyone we have to talk very softly, right? Very softly, very calmly we have to talk with everyone, right? So सबसे मीठे मीठे बोलो यहाँ भी तुम्हें बताया है. To everyone you have to talk very softly, very sweetly, right? तुम्हें बताया है. This one also they taught you. Who? The mother, right? Next, डाल डाल पर उड़ना गाना जिसने तुम्हें सिखाया है. सबसे मीठे मीठे बोलो यहाँ भी तुम्हें बताया है. Next, last paragraph. बहुत भली हो तुमने माँ की बात सदा है मानी. बहुत भोली हो, बहुत भली हो. भली means you are very good. You are too smart. You are too good. Why? Because you are listening to your mother. तुमने माँ की बात सदा ही है मानी. You are listening all your mother's words. Example, if your mother is telling, you have to finish your breakfast, you will finish your breakfast. If your mother or father is telling you have to finish your homework, you are finishing your homework. If your mother and father is telling please don't use mobile for longer time, correct, you are following, then obviously you are a good child, correct, like that. So बहुत भली हो तुमने माँ की बात सदा ही है मानी. So you are very good because you have listened all what and all your mother taught you. Mother gave advice, everything you followed. इसलिए तो तुम कहलाती हो सब चिड़ियों की रानी. इसलिए तो तुम कहलाती हो सब चिड़ियों की रानी. Because of this, you will tell you as a queen of all birds. So who is a king of all birds? The peacock. Who is a queen of all birds? The cuckoo. Correct? बहुत भली हो तुमने माँ की बात सदा ही है मानी. इसलिए तो तुम कहलाती हो सब चिड़ियों की रानी. Okay, so this is about this poem Koyal, and the poet name is Subhadra Kumhari Chauhan. So you can just pause the video and you can just take this notes. So कविता हाव भाव के साथ ऊंचे स्वर में गाओ. So you have to sing this poem louder voice. कोयल हमें क्या संदेशा देती है? What कोयल is giving message to us? कोयल को भली क्यों कहा गया है? Why the कोयल is very good? Why the cuckoo is very good? आमो मौखिक means the oral questions. लिखित means the writing questions. आमों में मिश्री कौन घोलता है? कोयल की मीठी आवाज से ही आमों में मिश्री घोलती है. इट मीन्स आमों में मिश्री कौन घोलता है? हु इज स्प्रेडिंग स्वीटनेस इन द मैंगो. कोयल बादलों से क्या मांगती है? वॉट कोयल इज आस्किंग विद द क्लाउड्स. प्यास बुझाने के लिए बादलों से बारिश मांगती है. सो इट्स आस्किंग अबाउट द रेन. कोयल को उसकी माँ ने क्या क्या सिखाया है? वॉट एंड ऑल द कोयल्स mother taught her. मीठा बोलना means you have to tell sweet to others, like soft to others. बड़ों की बात मानना, always you have to listen elders. डाल डाल पर उड़ना गाना, branches to branches you have to fly and you have to sing. This and all the mother taught her. कोयल चिड़ियों की रानी क्यों कहलाती है? Why we will call it as a queen of bird? Because माँ की बात सदा मानती, इसलिए कोयल चिड़िया की रानी कहलाती. Because always she will listen to her mother. That's why we will call her as a queen of bird. So you can just take a pic of this if you want. So here what is there children? आप कोयल से क्या क्या बात करेंगे लिखो. So what and all you want to speak with the कोयल? I just said अपना नाम. कोयल रानी तुम कहाँ हो? कोयल will reply मैं आम के पेड़ पर हूँ. Then you just think your name is what is your name? You can write your name here. Raja, what you want to ask? Koyal, what she wants, she will reply. Like that, you have to do it. That's it. Then this is padho, samjho और लिखो. Just you have to read and you have to understand. मिश्री सी मीठी. बर्फ सा ठंडा. ठंडा means the ice. कोयल सा काला. कोयल means the cuckoo. काला means black. रुई सा हल्का. रुई means cotton. रुई सा हल्का. So from the poem only they have taken. दूध सा सफेद. दूध सा सफेद means दूध means the milk. How it will be? Milk, white in color. चांद सा उजला. चांद means the moon. How it will be? उजला. उजला means the white only. Next, समान अर्थ वाले शब्द लिखो. The synonyms. बोली आवाज say or the sound. धरती land जमीन. मेघ बादल cloud. सदा हमेशा always. भली अच्छी good. जल पानी water. That's it children. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye children.